Alright y'all, welcome to Applying Lashes Like a Pro, and today I'll be using the Broadway 3D number 7 lashes. And y'all, these lashes were only $1.99. Okay, $1.99. You can't even tell me that I'm wearing $2 lashes. And also, you want to be very careful while taking your eyelashes out of the packaging. I like to use my fingers so that way I do not rip them. And I hope that you all are taking your notes, because tip number 1 is going to be bending the eyelash around your finger. Now, I know this may look a little bit weird, but I promise y'all, this will help give your eyelash a more realistic eye curve shape, and it will make it way easier to apply. Next, I will be using my tweezers to measure the eyelashes to my natural eye shape. These lashes were actually the perfect size for my eye shape. But if you've ever found yourself in a situation where your eyelashes were uncomfortable all day long, they felt like they were just poking you in the eye and you were just screaming and couldn't wait to rip those eyelashes off, then they probably were too long for you. So definitely make sure that you do this step. You can always trim off a little section of the lash. And when you are trimming your eyelashes, make sure that you're starting from the outer edge and not the inner corner. This will keep the same eyelash shape when you are applying your eyelashes. In this video, I'm going to be using the iEnvy Strip Lash Adhesive in the color black. This is my ultimate favorite lash glue. I do not use anything else when applying my eyelashes. And I'm going to squeeze the glue into an empty lid, and I'm going to use the end of my tweezers to apply the glue to the eyelash band. Now, I know this may seem like an extra step, but trust me y'all, doing this will help you control how much glue that you are using. And you also do not want to use a lot of eyelash glue, because it will make it way harder to apply them, and you're definitely going to have a fit. Next, you want to blow or fan your eyelashes for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you're applying your eyelashes, you want the glue to be very tacky, so that way the lashes are not sliding all over when you're trying to apply them. So now you are ready to apply your eyelashes. When I'm applying eyelashes, a trick that I like to do is I use my index finger to gently pull down my eyelid with one hand, and then I'll use the other hand to place the eyelash in the middle of my eye using tweezers. Now, the key to getting your eyelashes to look as natural as possible is getting that eyelash band as closely as possible to your natural eyelash line, without gluing your eyelid shut, of course. And if you're anything like me, you're probably gonna glue your eyelid shut on the first application. And then on the second application, you're probably gonna poke your eyes out. But I promise you, on the third application, you're gonna be applying those lashes like a pro. And also, I like to use needle nose tweezers to get the inner and outer eyelash corners to stick to my eye. Using needle nose tweezers are very easy because they're smaller than the regular size tweezers. And voila, you have now successfully completed applying lashes like a pro. And I have so much faith in you guys that you will be applying your lashes flawlessly, and people will be asking, who did your lashes and can you do mine? But I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Definitely drop me a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and y'all already know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay poppin', and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye!